Welcome to Computer Basics Episode 13, Creating Tables in Microsoft Word. In this video, you'll learn 3 quick ways to insert a table, how to resize a table, format your table, and add additional rows or columns. What is a table? A table is a way to organize your text using rows and columns. It's a visual presentation of information that can be easier for others to understand. It also gives readers a break from large chunks of text. Inserting a table. There are 3 easy ways to insert a table in Microsoft Word. First, click the Insert tab. Click the table icon. Hover your mouse over the grid to add the correct combination of rows and columns. You'll see the table begin to appear in your document beside the grid. On the grid, click the bottom right cell based on how many rows and columns you want. Hit Undo to remove this table if you're following along. Another way to create a table is by clicking Insert, Table, Insert Table. Specify the table dimensions under Table Size by entering the number of columns and rows you want your table to have. Click OK to create your table. If you're following along, hit Undo to remove this table. The third way to quickly create a table is through the Convert Text to Table option. Type out a list of items you want in your table and include a comma between each item. Highlight the text you want to convert into a table. Click Insert, Table. Choose Text to Table. Indicate the correct number of columns you want to have. Rows will automatically update. Click OK. Resizing a table. To resize a row or column, click and drag the line between them to make cells smaller or larger. To make the entire table larger or smaller, click and drag the small white box that appears in the bottom right-hand corner of your table. When you click on your table, there will be 2 tabs that read Layout. The first Layout tab applies to your entire document. The second Layout tab applies only to your table. If you want all of your rows or columns to be uniform, you can do this quickly by clicking the Table Layout tab. Click the white box with the arrows pointing in all directions on the top left corner of your table. This will select all of your cells. Under Cell Size, click Distribute Rows or Distribute Columns. Formatting a table. All of the typical formatting features of Word can be used in a table under the Home tab. You can bold, change the font, indent, etc. You also have additional options under the Table Design tab. You must click on your table for this additional tab to appear. Under Table Design, you can choose from any of the table styles by clicking on them. If you prefer to create your own design, you can use shading to change the color of one or more cells. If you want to color only certain cells one color, highlight the cells you want the same color, click Shading, then choose the color you want to apply. If you want all of your cells to be one color, click on your table. Click the white box with the arrows pointing in all directions on the top left corner of your table to select the entire table. Click Shading. Then choose the color you wish to apply. Inserting additional rows or columns. If you need an additional row or column, right-click on a cell within your table where you want to make the addition. Hover your mouse over the word Insert. You'll see a list of options to choose from, including Insert columns to the left, Insert columns to the right, Insert rows above, Insert rows below, and Insert cells. Click the option that best represents what you'd like to add to your table. Most of this information came from books available at our library. Here are my top 3 favorite books on Microsoft Word at the library. Teach Yourself Visually, Word 2019 by Guy Hart Davis. Microsoft Word in Easy Steps by Scott Pasham. Microsoft Word Secrets by Flavio Magado. That's it for this episode of Computer Basics. Our vision at the Southfield Public Library is we help people succeed. If you're working on a goal for work or in your personal life, anything big or small, we're here to help you. Please reach out to us and help us fulfill your vision and ours.